This, my friends, may be a masterpiece. It's a tortilla sprayed on both sides with Pam, and then a little bit of barbecue sauce just drizzled over it. And then on that, there is 1 square of jalapeno cheese, pepper cheese, whatever you want to call it, tore up in chunks and scattered around in there. And then my sweet peppers and onions with jalapenos scattered on top of that, and a little bit of shredded pork left from the Forestry Farm pig roast that I had thawed out. And this is my 4th meal from it. And this was made in a hot air fryer right over there. Top shelf, 8 minutes, 400 degrees. I've not tasted it yet. Hang on. Oh, how am I going to do this? Can I switch? Nope, can't switch. Well, you just hang on while I take a bite. Okay. See? 2 bites. Oh, that's a winner. You don't need to see me chew. Jeff at the cabin. Out. Oh, please. Like. Does it count if I talk with my mouth full? If I'm looking the other way? And you can't see me on the camera anyways? Anyways. Try it. It's good. Oh, you got to come to the pig roast to get leftover pig roast pig. But use your own pork or whatever topping. That's what I used because that's what was in the refrigerator. Bye-bye.